Hey everyone, this is Mahmood and I'm back after almost 2 months now. Yeah, my last video was around in the first week of July, which was related to my thoughts and experience after running an AI automation workshop. And since then, I've been meaning to create videos and do some cool demos, but I didn't get chance to do it, and it takes a lot of time actually. And I don't have a team, so I have to take care of recording scripts and everything. So it takes a lot of time, and but yeah, I'll try to be more consistent. There have been a lot of developments, like cool projects, case studies that I want to share, but I'll try to be more consistent now. So I wanted to start this month, and I thought to start it with a video. And this video is about an MIT study that came out recently that 95% of the AI implementations or AI pilot projects fail. So I have a few thoughts on this, and I wanted to add my knowledge, add my experience of like why this happens and how to be in the 5% of people who actually get ROI from AI implementation. So why 95% of the AI implementations fail and how to be in 5%. So this was a study that came out that what business leaders should do instead. It's available on Forbes and all the major articles, all the major publishing sites. So it's the reason why people fail should make the C-suite anxious. So my thoughts on this. So I see there are three failure patterns and three reasons why this happens. First one is tool first thinking. So picture this: there is a CEO who he came to know about there is a new tool in the market, right? So gets the license for whole team, and he gets excited and makes a big purchase of team license of that new tool, right? But 3 months later, no one is using it, and all the money that he spent on the license of that tool is gone to waste, right? So this is what happens when you think in terms of tool first and not the actual ROI or actual business use case. And people start with this like what AI tool should we buy, instead of thinking like what manual or repetitive tasks that we should automate. So this is where a lot of people fail with the ROI, fail with AI, right? And according to this study, there have been millions and millions of dollars have been spent by businesses on AI projects. But as you saw that there are 95% of those projects that are failing. Though this was study was around like 50 to 55 like examples, but still, as per my experience in the past 1 year, I've also seen this happen a lot, where there's no clear ROI from AI implementations, and it's just the hype. But if you want to actually gain advantage and actually get ROI from AI, I'll share the three steps that you can do to be in the 5%. But first, let's see the failures. So first one, as I mentioned, that tool first thinking. So the 5% people start with the problem, like what's the problem, where we can implement AI, then they think about the tool. The second failure is like no clear ROI measurement. As I mentioned, that this one like drives me crazy. How can someone not think about the ROI and they just spend thousands of dollars on AI projects? So they set goals something like we want to be more efficient with AI, or we want to have a competitive advantage by implementing AI. Yeah, these are good goals, but it should be more specific that we want to automate this particular process so that our time spent on this process reduces from 4 hours to 30 minutes, or something like in terms of time saved, or profits increased. or cost reduce. So these are the two main factors that you should consider. There are of course other factors as well, but these are the two main factors when considering any or implementing AI or automation. One is time saved, and second is cost saved. And third one, I would add this to it, like a profit per employee. So instead of thinking like we have to implement AI in customer service, we have to think in terms of we want to reduce time taken time taking from 4 hours to 30 minutes. So failure number three is ignoring the human element. Here's the big. This is one is a really big one. They build these amazing AI systems, but forget the people who have to use them every day. So the way to so way to deal with this issue is to upskill the people as well who are going to use it. And I've seen companies implement six figures automation and then wonder why their team ignores it, because nobody taught them why should they use it and how should they use it. So now the success framework. So here's the framework that puts you in the top 5%. Step number one is audit workflows. That's what I follow in every AI project that I get. That's the first step in every like consulting call that I do, is to audit the workflows, audit the current manual processes, and then define like if if it should be automated or not. And then if it should be automated, then what tools should we use? Then the tools come the next part. First part is to audit the workflows, and just spend a week like watching the work that actually gets done, not how like what are the manual processes, and spend spend some time on like analyzing these processes. Map out the like processes in two factors: time impact and automation difficulty. So start with high impact and low difficulty, and then build the momentum like that. And step number two is engineer solutions, don't buy features. Most people, businesses buy AI tools like they are some magic. They don't understand what they actually need. So think like an engineer. What's the minimum viable automation that solves this specific problem? Build that first. And my engineering background matters here. I don't get excited by the fancy demos. I care about systems that work for your business. And then step number three is transfer knowledge, not just the access. So don't just buy the tools and give it to your team. Actually, like train them and invest some time and invest in some good training programs or courses to upskill your team so that they can use it. So that's what I do as well. After implementation of any AI project, I prepare the documentation, as well as I also offer the training to your team of the like wherever I implement this project. I offer the team training as well, so that they are able to work without me as well, so that they are capable of handling issues when they arise. And then they will actually be excited to uh, this is how you retain your good employees, right? And they will be excited to use this system, and those are the people that are actually going to benefit from these from your investment in AI. So AI starter kit. So if you're tired of reading about AI success stories while your team is still doing everything manually, I've created a free AI starter kit that walks you through the exact audit process I use with the clients, and it includes a scoring framework and your current AI capability. And it also will give you a few use cases for every department and sample prompts that you can test today. So if you like to have this starter kit, just comment below or send me an email, or just go to my website and book an audit call. I'll send you the starter kit, and we can even I can sit with you and analyze your current business workflows and see where the opportunity of automation is there. And if you're having any specific operational chaos in your business, just drop a comment with your biggest time consuming task, and I'll I will read every comment and see where you can automate, if that process can be automated or not, and how it can be automated. And You can also book an audit call with me, and I'll make sure to give you the right direction in your AI and automation journey. So the goal isn't to have the most AI tools, it's to solve the real problems for real people using the real technology, right technology. So, and sometimes the right technology is simpler than you think. So yeah, that's it for this video, and hope to be more consistent with video creation. But I hope to see you in the next one, and subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. If you found this useful, share it with your network. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.